Hi, I am Aditya and I study here at Page Junior College. As of right now, I am currently pursuing CEC with Design as one of the provided integrated courses here at Page. Daily weekend tests, which actually helps to improve the scores in regular subjects, which are provided alongside, which helps us prepare for boards examination also, while also alongside providing mock tests for career-based examinations, so the students can crack those as well. Page is not only about only studies and education, but it also provides extracurricular activities such as fresher parties and other events which can keep the students occupied while also giving them a sense of interest and fun as well. The best and the fun part about being part of Page's design program was the regular workshops that were held every week, which not only helped us learn new skills but also improve our current skills which we are supposed to be using in our current design examinations, both private and government. And as well as the faculty provided for design was phenomenal, absolutely amazing in my opinion, especially because they not only helped us understand very hard concepts like perspectives, proper sketching without using a scale, or even coming up with ideas. These hard concepts were made easier by their guidance and helped many of us prepare and crack these government and private institution examinations for design.